don't know about you, but I just enjoy making things more when my space is organized. I always get the itch to optimize around back to school time, just as much now as I did when I was a student and not the teacher. So I took on a project to overhaul my small parts drawers and small workbench tool organization. I even ordered a label maker for the occasion. There's just something so satisfying about streamlining things for my future self. I don't know if it's just because I get so annoyed when I can't find something I know I have, but I dread that inefficiency and it takes my head out of my work. But organizing is also a form of procrastination, a way to avoid a looming deadline or ruminate on an idea while executing on something, at least. I installed a magnetic bar meant for kitchen knives and moved my wire rack to its own dedicated wall space. In organizing this part of my workshop, I found a bunch of stuff I didn't remember that I had and got rid of a bunch of trash. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you next time.